Another question people ask me is, how do I know when I can put the sheetrock and insulation back up and start rebuilding my home? Unfortunately, a lot of people start doing this too soon. The only way you can tell is by using a moisture meter, and usually you'll have to have a professional come over and use that device to find out what the moisture levels are in your lumber, in the wood in the walls, and on the slab. If you want to do a home test just to see if your slab's dry enough, you can do this test right here. Get a piece of plastic that's maybe 2.5 feet square, clear plastic, and tape it, masking tape it on all four sides on the floor and let it sit there overnight. The next day when you come look at it, if it has beads of water that have collected on the bottom of the plastic, your slab is still too wet to put your house back together. Even if the wood feels dry on the studs and on the bottom of the wall, it may not actually be dry. The only way to really tell is to use that special moisture meter to check it out. It's dangerous if you put your drywall and insulation back in too soon, because just with the normal humidity we have outside our homes, it can encourage mold growth that's started with the flood and that didn't get completely killed, and it can recur and you start seeing mildew and mold on the inside of your walls again, even though your house dried out for a few weeks. So it really needs to be tested to see that it's truly dry.